Hi everyone, welcome to the Noble Strength channel. My name is Audrey and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few ways that you can style a wrap dress slash skirt. So if you're into fashion and you're into style, then definitely stick around, like and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. Today I'll be featuring this wrap skirt that I picked up locally from the mall. We have a little place, I believe it's called Earthwear or something to that effect, but it sells a lot of like hippie style clothes. But you can also find this style wrap skirt on Amazon under, I believe it's called Enrapture Vintage. You can also find it under the Magic Wrap. Supposedly you can style this 100 different ways. We will not be doing that today, but I will be sharing with you some nice ways that you can style it. And I thought it'd be great to feature this because I think it's a great outfit to wear over the summer, and you can get a lot of mileage out of it because you can wear it as a top, a skirt, or a dress. Now, I picked up the midi length. It came in mini, midi, and maxi. So I picked up the midi because I wanted to be a little bit longer. And so this is what it looks like. It has two pieces of complementary fabrics. It has very similar colors. This side has the paisley print and this size has a little bit of tie-dye. Mine was made in India, and the store that I picked it up from at the mall is called Earthbound Trading Company. The first look, you can wear it as a skirt, which is probably the most commonly way that it's worn, and it is, you have these two end pieces and you usually just line it up, find the little slit which is on this side, and you're going to pull one of the end pieces through of the opposite side, and you can adjust it once you get it through that hoop however you want, however high up, and then I can adjust it. All right, so once you have it tied, as you can see, it's an asymmetrical cut. I love it because it's very flowy and very nice. So this is the first look. Let's go to the second look. And of course, I wouldn't have on this little leotard, but just for the purpose of demonstrating. So then you can wear it as like pull it where it is tied in the front. So you can have a little bow in the front where it's low in the back. This would be great for the beach. For the next look, we're going to do an asymmetrical across the shoulder look. So for this one, you're going to take the left side and you're going to go underneath the chin. Right, you're going to go to the left underneath the chest. Back piece that's hanging in the back, you're going to find the loop and tuck it through the loop. So you've got this piece over the shoulder, this piece goes underneath the chest, and then you tie them in the back. So it's going to tie here. You can also tie this in the front, or you can tie it in the back. It's up to you. But then you have this asymmetrical kind of off the shoulder look, which I really like, really cute. And I'll show all of the looks on the split screen without the distraction of the leotard. The next look I think would be great for a beach cover up. So you take this with the two end pieces like so. You're going to bring it up behind your neck and you're going to tie it in the back. All right, so now you're left with these two pieces in the front. You want to take those end pieces and you want to tie them. So then you're left with this look. So it's like a really cute little beach cover up, and it's draped in the back. So you have your your back out like so. And you would have your swimsuit underneath. This next look is one of my favorites. So with this look, you're gonna turn the skirt around so that you have the little slit or loophole facing front and center. So you're gonna wrap that around you. All right, so once you have that front and center with your two straps, this is going to go underneath your arms and around your back, like so. You're gonna tie it behind you. All right, so now once you have that tied behind you, you're gonna take your end pieces of the outer layer so you have one end and then you have the other end, and you're going to take those end pieces and you're going to put them through the loop that's in front. I thread mine from behind and out. Bow. So that is the next look. Once again, another cute little beach attire wear. Very, very cute. I love the layers and the flowiness of it. So this is look number 5. This is probably my favorite way to wear this. So you're gonna once again put the slit in the middle in the front. And then this part I like to wear as a halter around the neck. Like this, so it crisscrosses in the front. But you can also put both loops through the hoop which is really cute. It makes it gather, and then you can put that up around the neck and tie it. But I love this look, just so drapey, so cute. Just a little halter, really nice. Okay, so for the last look, we're gonna go with a strapless look. You're gonna take the wrap and you're gonna wrap it around your chest. And you're gonna take the ties underneath the chest this time in the front, and you're gonna tie it. Then you wanna take the outer layer, which is in the front, like so, and you want to wrap it upwards. So you're gonna create this little tube effect look. Tie from behind the outer layer, like so, and just kind of adjust it and straighten it, and then you have a strapless look. Once again, this is another good look for the beach. That is it. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Noble Strength channel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to style the Enrapture dress or Enrapture skirt. It's also known as the Magic Wrap. You can find them on Amazon. You can also find them at Earthbound Trading Company, which is where I got mine. And remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He loves us so much. I love you too, and happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. And I'll be back real soon with more videos related to faith, fashion, or art. Take care, everybody. Bye.